at these water heaters. And it's crazy because it's the only water heater Lowe's sells. It's like they have a monopoly.
That's crazy. So this heater was just installed and was making a loud humming sound. They call it harmonic vibration. So there's nothing dangerous about it. It's just a nuisance. So what we're gonna do is pull that burner out and get to the bracket that's underneath that burner. You're gonna start off with your pilot tube, which is a 7/16, and then you're gonna remove that main burner tube, which is a 3/4. There's gonna be 2 screws on the right, 1/4 inch, and then 2 screws on the left, 1/4 inch as well. You'll be able to slide that burner out. You gotta make sure that you're careful with that gasket. So once you slide that burner out, you'll see that there's a bracket underneath that burner. There's gonna be a screw in the back, screw in the front, same thing, 1/4 inch. So you're gonna remove that bracket. They call it a burner arrestor or a shipping bracket. So this is such a common problem that we've seen. When we call the manufacturer, all they say is just remove that bracket and straighten the main burner tube, and usually that solves the problem. We've done a ton of these and we've never gotten a call back. You know, of course, we check gas pressures, we check the venting. You want to check all that stuff before you remove that bracket. So then you're just going to reverse the process. 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left. You're going to connect your main burner tube. When you connect that pilot tube, the little thin tube, you want to make sure that you're careful. It's so easy to cross thread those little nuts. That's 7/16, just tighten it. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to break anything, crack anything. And then we're going to reconnect our thermopile wire, which is that red and white wire, your burner sensor, and that's going to be your spark. And then right here, just light the pilot, just hold the knob down, hit the spark, wait till the LED light flashes. That'll mean that your pilot is lit. You can let go, turn it clockwise, main burner comes on. And that's it. Well, hopefully this helps.